Hello everyone. In this video I'll be showing you how to thoroughly wash your fruits, most especially if you're making your peel cleansing fat burning recipes. You want to make sure you wash all the pesticides or wax on your fruits, otherwise you will just be drinking chemicals, the wax, pesticides. So you want to wash your fruits really very clean like this before consuming. So watch this video and I'll show you. As you can see, these are my fruits, not really clean. These are just rinsed. If you consume them this way, you'll be putting pesticides in your system. So I'll show you how to thoroughly clean your fruits. So the first thing you want to do, these are mostly the fruits I use. Like I use a lot of pineapple peel for my cleansing, cucumbers, apples. Some of them, they preserve them with wax. Wax is a kind of chemical they use to preserve fruits so they don't get bad. Pesticides as well. So you want to wash. So the first thing you want to do is to fill your bowl of fruits with water and do the first kind of wash, like just rinse the fruit so you target the wax or the pesticides and not dead on the fruit. So you first of all just like wash, like just rush over, wash, remove the stems or whatever you don't need in the fruits. Like this is the first step before I show you what I will use to really remove the wax. You know, when you buy your fruits, it feels slimy, kind of, not an oily. You don't want to eat it that way. That is wax and it's not good. It will mimic your hormones and cause issues. So in order to remove the wax, the first very important ingredient you need, because I always share without showing how I wash my fruits, you want to use baking soda. Yes, this cleans the wax off your fruits. The wax will, it's a kind of chemical that mimics and destroys your hormones. Before you know it, you start having hormonal imbalance. I'll be using a little bit of baking soda and some salt. Salt too is very good at dissolving the wax. So you want something strong, most especially if you're making your peel cleansing fat burning tea. You want to wash these ingredients this way just to avoid that wax. So this is it. You pour in your salt and you manually kind of like rub this baking soda and your salt on the ingredients to take the wax off. This stage is very important, most especially peels that you make kind of a peel tea, this cleansing tea with peels like pineapple, even apple tea. I've shared the recipe. Your cucumber, you want to wash the wax off, and salt and baking soda, this is the first step. Just rub through it. And if you have a fruit brush, if you don't have a fruit brush, I can link you up. After this level, you just add in a little bit of water in here so you can easily brush, most especially the pineapple peel. If these are organic, you can just rinse and leave it this way, but if they are not really organic, you want to take your time more and kind of use your brush, your fruit brush, to scrub and clean the ingredients furthermore. Most especially the pineapple peel, you can't really properly clean without like brushing through it. So this is how you really take your time to take the wax off your fruits. Very very important, because some of the illnesses we have today, like hormonal imbalance, your system is not really, it's just confused because of chemicals we consume knowing and unknowingly. So you don't want to take chances. As soon as you come back from the market, put your fruits in water, or you want to rest, put your fruits in water, take your time and clean them before you refrigerate. So whenever you're to use your fruits, it is easy for you to just get it out, and if you want to just rinse again one more time and you're good. So this is something when you do just after market, you don't feel it. So yeah, so just use your fruit brush, most especially fruits like ginger as well. If you're to use the peel on your ginger, you want to wash it this way as well, so you clean it, no possible dirt gets into it. So I'll link you up with a brush, a fruit brush, if you want this fruit brush. And yeah, just rinse, or any brush, if any brush you have which is accessible to you, that is fine. So after you wash, you see it is really getting so clean. You put in your water, rinse, and since I'll be using this peel now, I'll just take that top off, and you see my ingredients are so clean, free of chemicals. And what I do is, after washing the fruits, I kind of add a little bit of vinegar. Yeah, vinegar. When you rinse them up with vinegar, it like just completes the cleansing process. So this is my any regular vinegar you have at home, just to finally clean them up. Even though you see, as you can see, you see a lot of difference. Like the fruits look so fresh and really fresh and healthy. So you just add some vinegar in there just to clean everything. Trust me, if you're lazy to wash your fruits this way, that is the fastest way of putting chemicals, most especially the fruits grown these days. Even they are organic or not organic, trust me, you don't want to just eat those fruits like without thoroughly cleaning them. So this is it. After you do that, you rinse, and voila, these are the fruits, very fresh. Take them out of the water. So if you are to use them immediately for whatever, that is fine. If you are to store them in your refrigerator, make sure you paper towel dry them, or you use your cloth, your cloth, and just kind of, yeah, just keep them dry, and before you store them in your refrigerator, so they will last long. If you leave them without drying them up like this, patching them dry, they will easily get bad. So look at my fruits, no wax on them, no pesticides. They have been deep cleaned, so I don't put in dirt into my system causing bacteria infections. You don't want to eat to treat yourself and cause more harm. So this is it. This is the video I wanted to share with you. If you don't see me washing these fruits, just know I don't want to take a lot of your time. I will always refer you to this video. Each time you ask me how I wash my fruits, share with your family and friends. This is a very important video, so we all be aware of the side effects of not properly cleaning our fruits and putting in chemicals in our system. Yeah, so share the video with your family and friends, and if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, what are you waiting for? Feel free to do so now by clicking the red subscribe button you see right below this video, so you don't miss any of my uploads and you get to watch them on time as well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.